Just say PSG is becoming a vanity project.
How?
Say Lionel Messi, any PSG in Temobeti. Now,
SOMPA Sports
has got some undertones that hitherto nka obia dwenkoso. Saudi Arabia and Qatar nsem you see during the World Cup. But Wakwajo Musika or promoting Saudi tourism. We're free France without telling them. They are going to punish him and all that. And then and it's a contract, there will be no renewal. So Messi is ending his stint with Barcelona, with PSG, at the end of this football season. Lionel Messi ball back PSG no. Aside mileage, Mujidi say PSG omonya SOMPA SOMPA.
Oh, David.
Then Lionel Messi back PSG no. Champions League they have retrogressed. Omoko omochi.
Obara is all project no kra no. Omo sha say final back up. Omo ko form ba body ni nyina aka ho.
Exactly. Because we be a Cavani,
SOMPA Sports,
Ibrahimovic. Omo di PSG do ye na. Post Ibrahimovic, Cavani, PSG no. Neymar, Mbappe after the final. Nothing else. They are still in the French league. And okay, to the be an league mo be see o much no majibi. You know on what metric and Lionel Messi any omo air paper mu no. It raises a lot of concerns. But Obia free Barcelona air call Aston Villa. I mean, Matthew Alemani didn't be free Barcelona. Now do any actual Aston Villa is Canadian. Is Cametanechi on this can pay non coyedumano. But Matthew Alemani near 60-year-old man. And to say Alemani say Ojai as director of football at Barcelona. Now I call Aston Villa. Then a man alcohol. Now there is one person who comes to the fore. Now, one Tisani Panasia, you won't understand the connection and why he's going there. Valencia, baby, a one.
Yeah,
they are very close. One of the regions in Spain. And as I know my way, you know, I'm wearing the Omukuki. Unai Emery, our coach, Aston Villa. Or the personal assistant I will take charge of the businesses. Your friend Demia Videgani. Now, sir, Demia Videgani, on a Matthew Alemani, Omu Yejuma of Valencia. Ebra, na Matthew Alemani, Air Chief Executive Officer of Valencia Football Club, Director of Sports Operations. Omumi Enunye. Alemani on the left on your screen, and then Videgani on your right. Now Videgani way na oye interview in 2021 na catch Marsa Kuwaka tan say he's so certain say Newcastle for project na mo ba dey. Matthew Alemani nekwa ko lead the project now as director of football. Satan no munyan ko Brighton and ko fa Dan Ashworth. They are not gone there. But you see, ebi o kan sa de no njin tum sa abre no. But I say amfo na che ne ntoaso. He said that Sambekaya and Sana Edihow Ekofa Newcastle Ejumano. Newcastle had literally agreed in principle with Unai Emery. Sanka Humphrey Villarreal at that time, number 31. Or the Villarreal Koya could do Europa League final and Ejima against Manchester United.
Yes.
And also signed on board semi-final of the Champions League against Liverpool. And Ojaho Eriko Aston Villa. Intisa yes, Demia Videgani no. Matthew Alemani and Unai Emery and cookies had no.
SOMPA Sports.
And Alemani catch on said in the current situation on Untimi Enya Barcelona Homba. That's why he also reneged. Here Unai Emery no. He reneged or you're saying name Sumenko. Come at the hour, come at the man. The former Mallorca president and CEO Matthew Alemani Abba Barcelona 2021 2 years after I say Oko and then the Aston Villa. Why? Because a Juma now Maya or Manchester City no, it is a template Aston Villa intend to copy. A Juma Bain, Ferran Soriano,
yeah,
Chiki Begristan,
yes,
and then their Spanish coach friend Pep Guardiola. These are friends. Chiki Begristan ne Pep Guardiola, a boy. They were playmates. ɔtene kasa ɔne ne yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Barcelona. Ferian Soriano Omono, he was director of finance, vice president in charge of Barcelona.
SOMPA Sports.
Omohon, na Rodolfo Borrell,
Yes.
Barcelona Academy num. And no free call Liverpool. Eventually they've taken Rodolfo Borrell and one of the assistants to Pep Guardiola. So a template aye Jumano, and they are also looking to copy it. And Rana Jose copy more the 78,000 capacity Maracana Stadium. Nenya Semketwa. Now no do. The atmosphere of the Fluminense fans, even before the game, you take a cannon no chess on Baby operation B or stadium. Now they set the tone. Fernando Diniz on the coach Emma Fluminense. River Plate nene Marcelo Gallardo di aba say wajai because they won't be our jam on where Argentine League no, Apertura no, Copa Libertadores here boy and so jam on. But Fernando Diniz had to instruct his players say River Plate any mobile. Whether you learn Alvarez more or answer money on. This team has what it takes to punish you. It is a shape structure now. At a point they had 10 men saying your picture now. Won't say Fluminense were 10 men behind the ball.
Yes.
Why in the air direct your movements? Our penalty box now no. Good old Felipe Melo. On the last man there. Organizing them into shape. I didn't know yes our shape way. Close the spaces. Make sure say they can't pass the ball in between you. Don't pass say I no more in that space after ball and shima. I'm going to be quick. Now for TV purposes, they be highlights now and then continue for you. So what highlights now? Now they have to rely on an Argentine to kill them. Nipa mienu na yes our operation way. But my friend German Carmo and a John Arias. Arias now pass the ball ama Carmo. First goal. Obo hat-trick. John Arias we or a Colombian international. German Carmo no Argentina ni. The obo hat-trick no. But a 35-year-old journeyman wa board national Paraguay, Leon, wa Copa Pachuca, Independiente Medellin, Colombia, one in them Vasco da Gama Brazil.
South America on here.
One in them Wako Mexico, BFM, Colombia, Paraguay, Waba. And it's an unobeyous operation. So look, Enrano, it was a total performance by Fluminense. And if Fernando Diniz, so omo de mark an air tour at the moment and Enrano, omo yom ho adwuma pa na you the same
SOMPA Sports.
German Camo had to take an Argentine and a Colombian to combine and give a Brazilian club victory over one of the biggest clubs in Latin American football, River Plate of Buenos Aires. So Enrano, say okohwemu dia nsuo hwewa ase hwewe John Arias and Argentine German Carmo and a Cambo mu yes operation na Cambo a hat-trick. Arias assisted hat-trick a couple of times. Arias also came to life himself. Game at some point there 1-1.
Yeah.
But I'm Danino and a 5-1. They are copying something from Europe. Mejidi say Hano Sunu it's me be a beboa. Because Ruben Bittencourt, our president for Fluminense, before the game, only Jorge Brito, River Plate president, Kodidi, no exchange jerseys. Say, if you have fans, new one can Coco Santo,
David, and there. And found enye ya no we are.